this is how to make Y-Junction pipe in SketchUp. First of all, you can make a rectangle in here to make the base, and now you can click, right click, and just make group. Then now we can click the tape measure tool and click from this position to the position. Then now we can click from the position to the position in here. Then we can click the line and select the rotate tool and click this intersection and click, and we can type 45 degree in here, just like this. Then now we can make the line in here and draw the line from this position, this section, and to this position in here. Then now we can just triple click, right click, and just make weld edge. And now we can make we can make the line in here and click and make this position in here. Okay, then now we can make the circle in here, and we can make the radius with the radius around 60 millimeter in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, and now we can select the rotate tool. We can click and make this one, make on face on green axis. Then now we can rotate 90 degree, and we can rotate again. Okay, we can rotate again in here 90 degree. Okay. Okay, then now we can click the outlines. Okay, we can click the outline and right click and select find center in here. Then now we can select move and click this one and just place on the intersection in here. Then now we can click this one. Sorry, we can erase this one. We can erase this line first. We can click this one and select the follow me and click this one. Okay, and then after that, now we can click this one and select a move, tab control. Okay, then now we can move on green axis in here. And then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then now we can click and place on the position in here. We can place on this position, or we can just click this line, or we can make the circle again. We can make the circle again to make the smoother. We can click and click from this intersection. Okay, then now we can just make this one. Then now we can click move. Okay, and just place, and we can erase this one. Then we can click and place on this intersection in here, just like this. Okay, then and after that, now we can triple click, right click. We can click, right click, and explode, and triple click. Okay, then we can erase some unnecessary line. Okay, we can triple click, right click, and intersect face with the selection, just like this. And we can triple click, make group, and now we can just rotate. Okay, we can just rotate 90 degree with the red axis in here. And we can click and offset it outside. We can offset it outside like 3 millimeters. We can erase this one and click. Okay, sorry, we can push until to the position in here first. And then we can click and push it again a little bit and offset it outside like 30 millimeter. And just click, type 50 millimeter in here. Then we can click erase this one, and now we can click offset like 3 millimeter and click erase. Then we can click and push it down, type 50 millimeters in here. Okay, we can click and push, type 50 millimeter in here. Okay, but now we have select and move it down until the position, just like this. And then now we can push, click and push it up, and click to the position in here, and just click and offset it outside, type 3 millimeters, and click and push it up, type 50 millimeter, and click erase. Okay, and erase. Okay, then now we can erase and erase this one. Okay, so we have the connected tunnel in here on this piping in here. And then okay, so we can just erase one by one. Sorry, we can just erase this one and erase this one in here. Okay, and it was smooth in here. And then now we can just click and select the outline, or we can select we can right click and manage try. We can select the outliner or soften edge. Okay, and close. Okay, so it just soften automatically. Okay, then now we can triple click. We can click the circle, or we can make the radius in here. We can erase, and we can click and okay, we can push it up until to the position in here. Okay, we can soften. Okay, erase. Then now we can make the line across in here. Then now we can click and push it up. Okay, and we can erase. Okay, then now we can just click and push it down in here. Okay, and just soften the edge. Okay, now we can we can now select this area only, and now we can make the materials. We can make the different materials for this junction connector in here, like with the gray materials. Okay, it's like this. And this is about the piping. We can make Okay, the piping just like this. Okay, I think it more representative enough in here. Okay, and now we can activate about the shadow. We can erase some unnecessary line over there, or we can change the style to make it more representative one. Okay, just like this, and we can erase this one. Okay, and this is about the Y-Junction pipe on this SketchUp maybe. Okay, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.